Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be able to tell you that myself and Joe Bose of Nigel Frank International have organised an event that we're calling the Power Platform Whistlestop Tour. Now this event is taking place on October the 19th and it's actually in central London. Now, in terms of presenters, we've got some brilliant presenters. So we've got Charlie Phipps, he's going to be talking to us about Power Virtual Agents. We've got Alexandre Baker-Wong, he's going to be on the Power Apps side of things. I've got Matt Weston, he's going to do Power Automate. Franco Musso, he's going to do an amazing job on the Power Pages. And I'm going to do a little bit on Power BI because I rather like Power BI. To get your tickets, you'll need to go to Eventbrite and then reserve your spot. There are going to be some great opportunities for networking, and we're going to finish off the day with pizza and a few beers. So looking forward to seeing you there.